is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.
Okay, stand by, 13. We're looking at it.
12 of those fires remain uncontained.
Disaster early this morning. A big column of smoke was rising thousands of feet into the air above the blazing platform.
Maintenance costs are killing us.
Now about that emergency at Tullamarine Airport where an aircraft has suffered some sort of emergency and was disabled on the runway. We understand now that all flights have resumed at the airport.
Welcome to the RCA To Go report. Today we're going to find out how digging deeper and asking why can rid a chemical process plant of bugs in their system, which was costing them millions of dollars. Let's cross to Bill Holmes to find out more.
Thanks, Donna. This chemical process plant can produce $1 million of product a day, and happily, it is contracted to sell all it produces. Unhappily, it's only running at 95% efficiency, which means it's losing $50,000 of sales a day, or $1.8 million a year. To add insult to injury, the plant has committed sales, so that it must make up the shortfall in production by buying a competitor's product and selling it to make up the 100%. So it is actually making $4.3 million less per year than it should. So they ask themselves, why is the plant running 5% below best efficiency? Well, the plant requires cooling water below 30 degrees Celsius to run at 100% efficiency. Unfortunately, the cooling plant can only maintain an average of 33 degrees, so the plant is only running at 95% efficiency. So they ask themselves, why can't the cooling plant maintain the required temperature? Well, there are 10 cooling towers which require routine maintenance. They shut them down in rotation. The shutdown should occur every 10 months, but the plant finds that the performance of the cooling towers drops away more quickly than the design allowed. So they're overhauled every 9 months instead. So then they ask themselves, why do the towers need to come offline more regularly than designed? They found the louvers on the cooling towers foul as dust and other contaminants mix with the water and congeal. At first, they suspected that the cooling tower supplier must have provided undersized equipment. But to be sure, they asked themselves, why do the louvers foul? Analysis of the material fouling the louvers revealed a high concentration of insects in the sludgy material. They then asked themselves, why are there so many insects in the water? The plant is in an arid part of the country, near a creek. At night, the brightly lit plant attracts the insects away from the creek. They get drawn into the induced draft of the cooling towers and get drowned in the cooling water. They break up and finally congeal on the louvers. The operators found that by turning the lighting off when not needed and by switching to yellow light globes, the insect density was reduced dramatically. The cost was virtually nil and extended the life of the cooling towers to meet the design requirement. So next time there's a bug in your system, make sure you get to the root cause. Finding that one fly in the ointment could literally save your business millions.